What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, Twice the Fun. Okay, so today's video is a little bit different. I know it might seem like I'm all over the place, but I guess you can say now this is me and my girls channel. Me and the twins channel. But anyway, today's video is just me doing Miss Paris's hair, which I'm so proud of my baby, y'all, because she let mommy do her hair on camera without cutting up. Okay, do you know how big that is? I will say that I did moisturize her hair, and well, I detangled and I moisturized her hair before we got on camera because I was scared, y'all. I was definitely scared. I really thought she was gonna start cutting up, and I didn't want y'all to see that, okay? But she actually she didn't. She did really good. I was able to take my time, and she was chill. She was really chill. So then I just cut on the camera, and we got rolling. All I had to do was just part and go from there. So many people are always complimenting me on the girl's hair, how nice it looks. But y'all, these styles are so quick and so easy because I mean, I have 15-month-olds. Like they're 1 years old, and they don't sit still for a long time, especially not messing in their hair. They don't want mommy messing in their head for too long. So I, although I want to do like so many cute hairstyles that are more time consuming, but I can't right now because it's their world. I'm just living in it. So I have to work, according to them. So this right here, without the video sped up or anything, I mean, in real time, it took about 29 minutes for this style. And that's, I mean, detangle everything. Like, it's not, it, it's not hard or complicated at all. I'm not the best parter. Is that a word? But I'm not the best parting person. But I mean, I make it work. And those combs that they have out now, that I have in my hand that has the little hook, the little extra little hook on the end of it, it helps really, really good. And my dad was laughing because because he said, those beaters, she beat the hair with. And he's like, where was that in my day? He said, my big old hands, because he used to be the ones who used to do my hair. And I said, yeah, times have really changed. It makes it so simple, so quick. Definitely, if you don't have a beater, get you one. Because, yeah, if your baby is going to be wearing beads, you're going to need you one. Because, yeah, I mean, so saves so much time. So much time. Like, I remember, like, beads back in the day. And, yeah, definitely time consuming. So, gotta love that. Anyway, guys, I know that I have been missing in action, but I'm so glad to be back on here. Like, I'm not gonna ramble on, but just make sure that you guys have hit that bell notification, so every time I upload, y'all get notified, because you don't want to miss any videos from me, y'all. Like, I'm so committed now. Just a lot has changed in life, I'm more committed to this. So just make sure that y'all got that bell notification on, okay? And if you're not subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe. Y'all, if y'all have any comments or concerns, any type of videos y'all want to see from me or the girls, please make sure that you leave it in the comment section as well, okay? And like I said, in the next video, I will make sure that I show y'all all the products that I used on Paris's hair, because I didn't get the chance to show y'all today on this video. So you got to make sure that we do that. And I think that is about it, guys. I'm not gonna keep rambling on. I'm gonna wrap up chit chat in here and let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. It's not that much more. So like I said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.